Some people want to be beautiful so much that they try to steal beauty products from big stores like Walmart, hoping they can get away with it. One such escapade ended up ending badly recently. This was a couple who were spotted taking cosmetic products and placing them in their personal bag. The officers were quick to respond and detain the suspects.
Stop. In the shade, both you stop. I'm recording. Sit down right there. You're not free to go. If you take off running, we're going to have an issue. Sit down. Stop. Sit down. Sit down or I'm going to put you down.
Can I get my dog? This is a truck.
Here's what's going to happen.
I didn't do nothing.
Sit down.
Look, there's my purse.
Sit down, sir, or we're going to have an issue.
Okay, I just...
On your butt,
my dog is going to jump out of the truck. Please.
Where's your truck?
My dog. It's right there, please.
Is it the red truck in front?
Yes, he's going to run away.
Sit down and we'll handle the dog.
Here's my purse.
Do you understand you're being detained right now?
Yes, I understand.
You know why? They think you stole stuff from Walmart.
I know. Okay, I didn't steal nothing. There's my purse.
That's fine. Sit down on your booty.
Can I please get my dog, please?
We'll take care of the dog.
Oh, please let me get my dog, please. You don't understand.
Sit down.
Between the "my dog is gonna run away," "there's nothing in my purse," and "I didn't do nothing," the woman is so frantic that you immediately know she's guilty. I mean, why did she leave the dog in the first place? My guess is that they have stolen property in the car and that she wants to get rid of it before the cops can find the goods. Right or wrong, these two give me the vibe that they're just hustlers who got caught, and now they're scrambling to get out of the situation. Watch as the woman tries to pull a fast one and get away.
Please let me get my dog, please.
Don't resist, dude, because I will.
I'm not resisting, man.
You guys aren't getting with it.
I got a broken collarbone, bud. Please don't twist my arm. Please don't twist my arm. I got broken. I got a broken collarbone. Stop! Please!
Put him behind your back now!
Please don't let my dog get behind my dog, please!
Sir,
Please, hon, please don't let nothing hit my dog.
you're gonna have an issue with me.
I can't resist. I can look at my dog. I can't do it.
Sit down now.
Nobody look at my dog. I just want to get my dog.
Step it up.
Nobody's doing nothing.
That was pure insanity. I just thought to myself, if I were the cop, I'd probably have to tase one of them sooner or later. Seems like it might have been justified. Both of them were unruly, and they tried to get away the moment they were left alone, and the man started to angrily approach the officer while shouting at him. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. The officer then restrains the woman, who seems to be cooperating a little bit more, now that she's seen what happened to her hubby. Of course, the suspects had their own side of the story.
Nobody was trying to resist. Nobody was
Dude, you wouldn't listen.
Nobody was running from you. Nobody was resisting. I'm trying to tell you, man.
I was nothing but nice to you people. Stand up.
I know, but
Stand up.
dude, my legs are up. Sorry, my legs are numb from you shocking this out of me.
Sit right here. Sit.
You probably noticed the blood on the backside of the male suspect's head. Looks like he hit his head when he was tased and dropped to the ground. For bald guys, even a minor hit can make your head bleed. So, although it was probably a hard hit, it doesn't necessarily mean that he's badly injured.
I busted my head. I'm bleeding like.
We got rescue coming.
He's a boxer.
Nick, I'm assuming they haven't been searched yet. Hey, don't pull those, because. All right, Ken, stand up. You got any needles on you?
No, man.
Stand up.
My legs are down, dude. I can't stand up. Like, he just shocked the out of me. I'm laying on the ground and he's still just shocking the
It
out
goes
of me.
5
like,
seconds. He can't stop it.
My
Everything, go ahead. You got any needles or anything on you?
No, man. I have no needles. I'm dizzy as okay? He just shocked the out of me. No, man. I'm not using, like, what the what does using have anything to do with this? Like,
Well, you're starting to act all
I
nodded.
busted my head open, man. My head is killing me. Like, what does drugs have anything to do with me busting my head open and I'm dizzy and my legs are
Probably
fucking
has
shaking
something
from
to do
getting
with
shot.
why we got called to a retail theft, right? It usually all ties in together.
Since the suspect can't stand up, the officer proceeds to search him while seated. But Ken is behaving strangely, and the cop suspects drugs may be involved. Actually, it wasn't drugs that the officer found in the vehicle. It was something else.
What's up, pup? Yeah, I thought it was at first. It says DPMS on it. Can you stay and make sure this dog didn't hop out?
Well, that wasn't your ordinary gun, not by a long shot. Now, I'm no expert, but it looked like an M4 assault rifle, and the way it was carelessly put in the trunk of the pickup truck is just stupid. Any kid could have peeked inside and grabbed it easily. The good thing is, the dog was just fine. In the meantime, the suspects complain about the man's head bleeding, and the officer has a lesson that he wants to teach both of them.
You see how the back of my head is, babe? Hi. What? Can you look at the back of my head?
Oh, yeah, it's bleeding.
It's bleeding.
Yeah, it's bleeding.
How many times? You know what would have solved all that, gentlemen? Sir, ma'am?
Yeah,
What? What would have solved all that?
I just wanted to check my
If you sat down when I told you to sit down, correct?
I was just worried about him.
What'd I tell you? Didn't I tell you we'd have somebody check on your dog?
I'm sorry.
And we cannot follow instructions, can we not?
I'm sorry.
I told you, did I not
no.
tell you you guys were being detained? Did I not? What'd I say you were being detained for?
Amy, is this black bag yours?
Yeah.
That's what she was carrying. Did I tell you you were not free to go? I told you you were being detained and not free to go. I was even polite enough to put those handcuffs in front of you, was I not, sir? Because of your shoulder injury.
Nobody was.
Sir, you started walking away, then you came up on me hot because I tried to put her in handcuffs because she started walking away.
All I was doing was talking to you. I wasn't hot. I wasn't aggressive. All I said is.
You said, don't put her in
I said,
handcuffs.
please don't throw her on her stomach. She has honey.
She kept pulling away.
There's always two sides to every coin, but here, I think the evidence is clear. The footage shows that the man was agitated when he approached the officer, and he was shouting on top of it. If the officer hadn't been alone, there would have been no need for the taser. But in this situation, it seems completely justified. The officer doesn't want to complicate things by calling animal control for Rocky, the dog. So he thinks about letting the woman go, but that doesn't mean she's off the hook.
My partner's going to search you. You're in custody right now for resisting. I'm not saying you're necessarily going to jail, so they didn't have to spray you or tase you or anything like that. I might be able to, because of the dog thing, I might be able to release you because I don't really want to call animal control for your dog. Right? I'm going to adjust these since you were pulling away and fighting with me a little bit.
I don't care if you take the truck and pound the truck, we're gonna piece my dog.
I'm going to Mirandize you though and I'm going to ask you some questions. Honesty goes a long way, okay?
Okay.
When you copy that, you don't necessarily have to take you to jail, right?
Yeah.
But I'm not saying I'm not going to. But
Please, I've got kids. Right. You know, you're in school.
The officer is obviously leading the suspect to a confession. He entices her by letting her go and going easy on her, provided she cooperates. After reading her Miranda rights, it's time for some questions. So far, she was adamant that they didn't do anything. I wonder if she'll start being honest.
So what happened over at Walmart where these guys would think you would steal shit?
I don't know. I mean, I have a retail theft in the past.
Right, but I don't care about your past. I care about right now.
No.
You weren't stealing shit. There's nothing going to be stolen in the truck.
No.
You can't steal shit.
Well, I put something in his bag.
You have that stuff in his backpack?
No, in his bag. The Walmart. I thought he had a Walmart bag when they stopped him, but he didn't.
Okay.
Because I told him, you need to get out there with the dog, because I was worried about Ruck.
Right,
It was
right.
hot.
What's the dog's name?
Rucky.
Rucky.
Rucky boy.
Well, thieves will be thieves. Did you hear how she casually threw her partner in crime under the bus? She'd do anything to save her skin. And all this time, her dog Rucky was patiently waiting in the car, not knowing that when it's all said and done, he might actually be the one saving his owner from going to jail.
What are we doing with the dog? Animal control or?
I don't know if the female's gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Is he a friendly dog?
So far, yeah.
Hey, buddy! Come on, bud. Who's a good boy?
Come here.
Come on, bud. Come on, bud.
Come here. Back. Good boy. Good boy. Come on.
Here's Mama. Hi, Birdie. Hi. Here's Mama. Hi, Birdie. Good to I know Mama's right here. Okay, calm down.
It's always nice to see animals reunited with their owners. I'm sure that if it weren't for Rucky, she'd be on her way to jail by now. At that point, Kenny was already under the bus, but then his partner made sure he stayed there.
I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. And what sucks is I can't. I mean, he's going away. He goes away next month.
For what?
Retail theft.
What?
Yeah, he took 8 years as the lowest, so he's made 3 as he goes, he's going, you know what I mean? So I think he just got to the point, like, you know what I mean, he gets that mentality point, I guess, because he kept on saying, I don't care. But yeah, you do care.
Girlfriend
you know what I
on.
mean?
So here's the deal.
Okay.
I'm gonna forward charges for resisting.
Okay.
Okay? Because I'm gonna be honest. I think if you would have stayed sat down,
I know.
then Kenny wouldn't have been tased. Because Kenny wouldn't have thought he could have run away, and then Kenny wouldn't have seen me trying to put you on the ground.
Yeah.
And tased
I know.
her, and then
I feel bad.
right, and then ran at me, and then me think that I'm gonna get overpowered or have to fight 2 people.
I guess in my eyes I was thinking, I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going to outrun you. I guess that's what I was thinking, you know what I mean? I just wanted to make sure he was okay. But,
Yeah, but I told
But you told me, I know, it was just happening so quick, you know what I mean? I didn't know what Kenny had done.
Right, so how do you think I feel?
You know, I got this lady coming
Like,
up to me saying,
if
open
you
your
were-
purse. And I'm like,
I didn't say open your
no,
purse.
a lady in the store.
So that's why she was so amped up. My guess is they were in on it together. However, Rucky saved her, and because Kenny was a repeat offender, he took the blame for the theft. The female suspect was released and was later charged with resisting arrest. Old Kenny, however, got retail theft, resisting arrest, and aggravated assault on a peace officer.